So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for singles for the month of August 2026. Keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Master Class 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Pisces, overall energy for Pisces people regarding their love and relationship area. So we have the Ace of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Cups. So the underlying energy is Page of Cups. Your energies are on and off. Sometimes you feel like you should start opening up to new people. It makes you feel excited. It makes you feel like yes, let's do it. And then you feel like no, you should not. And then you are deciding. You're trying to find a middle ground where you're like, okay, if something exciting or something really good is going to come towards me, I will start opening up and I will start enjoying the company of that person, of that energy, and then I will move forward. I'll keep my heart open. But this is not this energy of like being fully mature and grounded and feeling like you're more than ready to go ahead with. Okay, and you're excited. There is passionate energy. There is this energy of let's do it, and then there is this energy of okay, I'm going to keep my energies very light-hearted. I'm not going to allow anyone to become so serious with me on day one only. I'm going to take time before I'm going to move forward, and then there is this energy of I'm going to remain so practical, so detached, so much in this energy of my way or highway that nobody is going to stick around me. So it's like your heart is telling you to open up and do everything and enjoy your life to the fullest, and not to think too much about anything or anyone, and just move forward and go with the flow. And then your mind is coming in and telling you to do everything exactly the way you want it to do. Even if 1% is going to be here or there, that person, that energy is not good for you. I'm sorry, I'm having a very high fever. I took the medicines, I'm doing the reading, so if I'm fumbling or repeating myself, just bear with me, okay? But I have promised myself the consistency on this channel, so I keep on doing the readings. Let's see. And plus you guys always feel left out, like the last 2 3 signs, so I felt like I should do it anyhow. For a new person, new connection, we have for Pisces people, we have the Star card, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands, the underlying energies of King of Wands. So you might get attracted to somebody, you might get infatuated to somebody, and or the vice versa. And you guys are going to be very excited. You guys are going to feel like okay, this can be something that I can go ahead with. I can choose like see what's going to happen next. And then boom, one of you is going to slow down the situation completely. There's going to be lots of hope and positivity and this energy of okay, maybe I can connect with this person in the coming future. But one of you is going to put the situation on hold deliberately, because they don't want this intense, just for fun, full of attraction, full of passion, full of fire kind of energy. They want something solid, they want something long term. It can be you, it can be them, it can be both of you, that initially you guys are going to feel a lot of spark and attraction towards somebody, and then one of you is going to lose that spark or attraction because they're looking for something else, something deeper, something meaningful. But whosoever is going to leave the situation first, they're going to keep this situation on hold, because they have this desire to come back to it in the coming future, but they're not ready for the situation right now, for for the reasons I told you, I guess, right? Let's see for this new person, new energy from the oracle card, the message from the oracle card. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Maybe both of you are going to have a totally different religious path and or spiritual path, and that is also going to be one of the major reasons that you guys are not going to take it forward. A lot of people, yeah, leave other people because of these situations. Also, I have seen this lot. I have seen this many times in my readings, in my tarot career of 10 years. Lot of them, more than 800, 900 people. Let's see. What are your energies for a past person or a known energy for this month of August 2026 for Pisces, for this past person or known energy? We have the Eight of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Strength card. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Wands. You are like a wounded warrior. You are like, I'm going to protect myself from getting hurt again and again and again, and I'm never going to allow this person to hurt me again. If they are going to even look at me, I'm going to show them who I am. So that kind of energy is there for a past person, past situation that you're still walking away from. Your ego is hurt, your ego is bruised, and you are trying to operate from your mind rather than your heart. Even if you feel something for this person, let's say from time to time, you completely shut that down energy, and you completely switch on your practical mind mode, and you just hold back this urge or desire to do anything in this direction, out of anger, out of impulse also, not out of love only, right? So the love portion is not here anymore. You are out of love in this situation, and you are right now walking away from this person, still walking away from this person. Your ego side is activated, and you are trying your best to not to do anything out of anger or out of impulse in this situation. And plus you are trying to protect yourself from getting triggered by this person or the situation. Okay, let's see the message for this situation from the oracles. We have the flirt. Extend your light-hearted energies to others. Try to sort things out with this person on a cordial level, on a friendly level. Instead of becoming each other enemies, try to sort things out on a cordial level where uh, both of you can at least talk to each other in a proper way, maybe in the future, if not immediately, like eventually. If you want to, but keeping someone as an enemy and thinking about them in a negative way all the time, feeling hurt, bruised, is actually hurtful and painful for you only. Forgiveness is never about the other person, it's always about yourself. It's always about your peace of mind. My goodness, I got shit scared. Yep. Let's see the guidance for you guys. That was a milk delivery guy. Okay, milkman. Let's see. The guidance is the Wheel of Fortune, the Moon card, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. You don't have to straight away route for commitment. Let's say, for example, you're meeting somebody today. You should not expect to get married the next day. Things are going to happen in the divine timing, Pisces, and not every person you are going to meet is going to be your forever person that you know already very, very well, right? So try not to get overwhelmed when you are going to be in the next connection, and try to take things really very, very, very slow, you know, because slowly but surely you have to work on the fears, the insecurities, the illusions, the confusions that you have regarding love and relationship. Once you will be able to overcome these factors, like properly heal these factors and release these factors, release this belief system, or release this conditioning of yours slowly but surely, then only you will be able to move towards someone or something to, like, with love, with an open heart, with a healed energy, right? That is important for you guys in order to attract the right kind of person, the right kind of love. Until unless you are going to heal everything that is blocking the path of your happiness, that is stopping you from moving forward and finding your happiness, you will not be able to get that kind of person the way you want it, right? So maybe you're going to attract somebody, but if you're going to operate from these energies of like pain and fears and insecurities and the conditioning, the belief system, that's not good for you, you might lose them again. So what's the use of attracting somebody in your life until unless your own energies are healed, right? Let's see the final message. We have the children. Your love life is being affected by children. So maybe children is the factor. Children are the factor in this situation of yours. Maybe you are already having a child, or maybe you are not mature enough to carry a strong relationship right now. Something related to children might be of importance in your love and relationship area. Take care of that factor also while you're moving forward. If not, leave this portion, and don't try to forcibly uh, get the message out of this card, right? because sometimes the message is clearly not for you. Hmm? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.